Tom Cruise has been spotted looking more like himself again after he shocked fans with his unrecognizable appearance. The Mission Impossible actor piloted a helicopter as he arrived at Battersea heliport in London on Wednesday evening, amid filming for Mission Impossible 8. Tom, 59, left fans shocked last month when he was spotted looking totally different as he attended an LA Dodgers baseball game in San Francisco. Photographed watching the game alongside his son, he looked noticeably different as he appeared more puffy than his Top Gun days. Fans speculated that the actor had either gained weight or has a face full of fillers after the bloated photograph spread via social media. He once again had fans confused as he donned a flight suit and helmet as he practiced a stunt on a bright yellow biplane earlier this week. But now, action man and keen aviator Tom has been seen looking more like his old self as he landed a helicopter in London. The Hollywood A-lister, who got his private pilot's license in 1994, kept it casual in black jumper as he safely brought the chopper back down to the ground. He was joined by two male passengers for the flight who he looked to be communicating with through a headset as he concentrated on the landing. Earlier this week, Tom was seen in Duxford, Gums, filming scenes for the 8th film in the Mission Impossible franchise. At the beginning of October, The Sun revealed that the Minority Report actor was learning to fly a World War II military plane. A source from the set told The Sun, Tom had started to learn to fly a Boeing Stearman biplane earlier this year for a major stunt scene in Mission Impossible 8. It's obviously a highly skilled task, but as usual he has no plans to cut any corners or bring in a stuntman. The insider continued, filming has only just wrapped on Mission Impossible 7, but Tom has not given himself a break. And trying to film jaw-dropping scenes with an 80-year-old plane is particularly dangerous. Back in September, Tom and his film crew celebrated after they had wrapped up shooting his 7th movie. Due to the pandemic, filming was fraught with setbacks including multiple COVID outbreaks on set, causing the production to be shut down for weeks at a time.